In Adobe Acrobat, here are two different ways to add a checkmark in PDF. Let's see the first method. After opening the PDF in Acrobat, under Tools section, select Fill and Sign, and here click on Fill and Sign under U, and here select this checkmark. Now go ahead and draw the checkmark. You can resize your checkmark just like this. You can also change your checkmark position. Click on this color box and you can just change your checkmark color just like this. And now let's see the second method to use checkmark. Go to Tools and under Share and Review, select Stamp tool. Hover over on Stamp and hover over on Sign here and select this checkmark. And now you can just go ahead and add your checkmark. Now select the checkmark and you can resize your checkmark just like this. You can also change your checkmark position. Thanks for watching.